What's up, guys? I am here solo at Makinex. I've got a customer out here doing a pickup, and I thought I'd grab my phone real quick to show you. We got someone coming to grab our cleaning machine to go do a cleaning job right now, and I'm gonna be able to load him up using our powered hand truck here. Thank God it's here because I'm by myself and there's no other way I'd be able to load this guy. I'm gonna prop you guys up on this crate here so you can watch how it's done. All right, buddy. See you later. And that's it. Get yourself a powered hand truck, especially if you're working on a skeleton crew.